Hi friends, today I am going to discuss company law. Okay, in company law, first I am going to discuss nature of company. Okay, let's move on into the chapter. First, see the overview of this chapter. See in that company meaning and features, and the next one separate legal entity, corporate will or curtain mask, and the next one lifting of corporate will, and the next one relative, and the next one citizen. Okay, first see the company and its characteristics. See as per section 2 subsection 20, company means it is formed and incorporated under Companies Act 2013 or formed and incorporated under previous company law. Okay. Companies Act 1956, Indian Companies Act 1913. Okay. And see, company as per Professor L.H. Honey, company is an artificial person. Okay, artificial person created by law. It has a separate personality and perpetual existence, perpetual succession, that means continuous existence. Okay, and the next one common seal. Okay, conclusion of both the definitions. Company, association of persons plus registration of such association under Companies Act. Okay, registration under Companies Act. Okay, and the next see the characteristics of a company. Characteristics in that registered association, the first feature of a company is that it is an association of persons registered or incorporated under Companies Act. Okay, and see, for a private company minimum 2 members and public company minimum 7 members are required. Okay, and see the next one artificial person. Company is an artificial person, which means it does not have any physical existence or flesh and blood just like a natural person. Okay, and see the next one separate legal entity. After incorporation, a company becomes different person from those person who has incorporated it. Okay, so a company is different from its members, directors and shareholders or officers. Okay, there is a case law, Salomon and Company Limited. Salomon sole proprietor, sold Salomon and Company for 38,782 pounds. Okay, the company discharged the consideration by way of shares 20,000 pounds, and by way of secured debentures 10,000, 20,000 shares were allotted to Salmon and his family. Okay, and 10,000 held by Salmon himself. Okay, and the next remaining 8,782 by cash. Okay, after few years, company suffered very huge loss due to a recession in the market and company goes in liquidation. Okay, due to recession in the market. Okay, at the time of liquidation, the total assets were realized for 6,000 pounds. Its liability were secured debentures held by Salmon 10,000. Unsecured creditors held by leather 7,000 suppliers, total 17,000. It is a case law for separate legal entity. Okay, and see the next one, perpetual succession. As per this feature of company, the personality of company is not affected by the death, insanity and insolvency of its members. Okay, as per Professor LCB Grover, members may come and go, but company goes on forever. Okay, and see the next one, common seal. One of feature of company is that it has a common seal. It is made of metal and consists of two informations. In that first one, name of the company, and second one, name of state where regs, office of company is situated. Okay, and see, it is fixed on generally two documents. It is fixed generally on two documents, share certificate, debenture certificate. Okay, and presently it is optional. Okay, and see the next one, separation between ownership and management. Ownership and management. One of the feature of company is that there is a separation of ownership and management. Generally, directors are elected by members out of themselves, or sometimes some outsiders may be elected as director. Okay, and see the next one, separate property. Company has legal right to acquire, hold and dispose any property in its own name. Okay, and also no member of company can claim himself as an owner or company owner of property of the company. Okay, there is a case law, McCure v. Northern Assurance Colic. Northern Assurance Colic. Message or lesson from case law is, director shall not get the property of company insured in his own name, otherwise the insurance contract will be void due to lack of insurable interest. Okay, and see the next one, corporate will and lifting of corporate will. Will means, corporate will means generally wheel means curtain, divider or a mask. Okay, by fiction of law it is assumed that there is a legal curtain between company and its members. Okay, which separate these two. Wheel separate company and members. Okay, and say the lifting of corporate will, it means ignoring or disregarding the legal personality of company and looking behind the persons who are really interested into the success or failure of the company, or controls the affairs. Affairs means functioning of company. Okay, generally the corporate will is regarded, but in some exceptional or special cases the court or as per legal provisions personality of companies discharged. Okay, and see the next, cases in which lifting of corporate will is done. Case A, lifting as per judicial decision. Okay, case B, lifting as per statutory provisions. Case A, judicial decisions. Case B, statutory provisions. Okay, and see case A, first one, protection of government revenue. When companies are formed to show tax evasion, the personality of companies will be ignored and incomes of companies will be included in the hands of its members. And see case law, Sir Dinshaw, Mankeji Petty. Fact in this case, D formed four private companies just to reduce his tax liabilities. These companies were not doing any business or not having any other assets. Okay, the income or these companies were exempt as per income tax of the time. Okay, and the decision, the court held that those four companies were shell company, sham or dummy company, and their income will be clubbed into member. Okay, and see the next one. Prevention of fraud or prevention of fraud or prevention of improper conduct or prevention of breach of contract. And see, if a company is formed for committing fraud or avoiding any legal obligations etc or breach of contract, then the personality of company can be ignored. Okay, as per case law Guilford Motor C Limited. Fact of this case, X was employee of Guilford Motor Company Limited, and as per employment agreement he was under obligation for not soliciting the customer of Guilford Motor even after leaving the job. Okay, Hicks left the job and forms a private company along with his wife and one friend. X passed the data to this company and the company started soliciting the customer of Guilford Motor Company Limited. Okay, for this decision the court held that X and his company both are one and same and extended the obligation of X also upon his company. Okay, and see the next one. Determination of enemy character of company. And see, a company can't be enemy or friend. A company can't be enemy or friend. However, when the members or persons having control, that is director, over the company becomes enemy due to war, then company also become. Okay, and see case law Daimler Company Limited. And the fact of this case, Continental was incorporated in England by German people, including one citizen of England. All the director of Continental were German citizen. Okay, for this decision, the court held that Continental has become enemy due to citizenship. Okay, due to citizenship, its members or directors. Okay, and see the next one. Prevention of avoidance of welfare of employee. And see, if the new company is incorporated for just avoiding or escaping the welfare of employees or workers, then corporate will can be disregarded. Okay, welfare means facility of bonus, gratuity, provident fund. Okay, and see the case law Workers of Associated Rubber Industry Limited. As per this case law, Associated or I Limited formed a new company, 100% subsidiary. Okay, and transferred all its profitable investment. The main purpose of formation of new company was to reduce the benefits of workers of old company. Okay, for this decision the court ignored that the personality of new company or subsidiary company and its profit shall be clubbed and the hands of associated RIL. Okay, these four case laws for case A, lifting as per judicial decision. Okay, And see the next one, case B, lifting as per statutory provisions. And see the first one, reduction in statutory number of members. Reduction in statutory number of members. Okay. If the number of members of a company legal, if the number of members of a company legal and falls below the statutory limit, legal limit 7 or 2, okay, and the remaining members continue the business without increasing the number of members, then for transaction after 6 months the remaining members will be personally liable. Okay, and see the next one, liability of promoter, director, etc. in case of misstatement in prospectus. Misstatement in prospectus as per section 34 and 35. If there is any misstatement in the prospectus, then for any loss of investor, promoter and director will be personally liable who has signed or authorized the issue of prospectus. Okay. And the next one, failure to receive minimum subscription. Minimum subscription. If company fails to receive minimum subscription within 30 days of issue of prospectus, then company shall not allot the shares. Instead, company shall refund the application money. Otherwise, directors or promoters will become personally liable to the applicant. Okay. And see the next one, merger or combining of financial statement of subsidiary company into the financial statement of holding company. As per section 129, it is mandatory to prepare a consolidated financial statement by merging the financial statement of subsidiary company into financial statement of holding company. And see the next one, liability of directors, manager for fraudulent conduct of business. If any director or manager does any activity or omit to do any activity which has caused injury to company, shareholders, creditors or any person, then for such loss, such director will be personally liable. Okay. Okay, and see the next one, company as citizen. Company as citizen. And see, no company is not a citizen because as per Citizenship Act 1955 Citizenship Act, citizenship is available to only individual. Okay, so as company doesn't have those fundamental rights which are only available to citizen of India, like right of vote, etc. Okay, and see the next, definition of relative as per section 2 subsection 77. 10 persons are covered into definition of relative. See, member of HUF and husband and wife, father including stepfather, mother including stepmother, and son including stepson, and daughter, son's wife, daughter husband, and brother including stepbrother, sister including stepsister. Okay, these 10 persons are covered into definition of relative. Okay friends, I hope this chapter is clear for you. If you have any doubt, then comment me. In next class we are going to discuss types of companies. Okay friends, bye bye.